So I have a question for you. So nasa Red Bull tayo eh. So as a dancer, what is your dream?
First of all, I want to say to all the viewers that hindi po to chikinini. Kalmot po yan. Syempre as a dancer, my biggest dream and my wildest wala na naman.
Baka naman.
Yan, so as a dancer, my wildest dream is to be on the biggest dance competition here in the Philippines, just like HHI Philippines, World of Dance Philippines. Tsaka syempre, isa sa mga hindi talaga uurungan ng high power. Ano na?
Thank you.
Yun lang.
Hello guys, as a dancer,
Ano dream mo?
Hindi sinabi mo kanina. I want to be a pilot. I want to destroy.
Mali yung accent mo, ganito yun. My dream is, I wanna be a pilot. I want to destroy Egypt. Bubo ka!
Tatanungin ko ulit ako.
Okay. As a dancer, what is your dream?
As a dancer, one of my dream is makapag-perform ko sa stage, especially sa mga biggest stage.
Ginaya mo!
Siyempre kasama yung grupo ko. Yan. Isa sa mga dream ko bilang dancer, yung makapag-perform. Redundant.
As a dancer, what is your dream?
I dream to be a tutubi.
Wala tinatagong ba to?
Ano yung question?
As a dancer, what is your dream?
My dream? Fly high. The joke. Ayokos!
Tagal mo! Red Bull baka naman pa-sponsor sa inumin namin sa practice.
So, ayan na nga. Ito na ang biggest question para sa'yo. Mainit-init pa. Ulo ko. Eme.
Ano ba?
Ang tanong ay, what is your dream as a dancer?
As a dancer, my dream is hindi lang for me, actually for my group kasi as a health coach. Gusto ko matupad yung mga pangarap namin na maging representative ng Pilipinas sa ibang bansa like sa California, sa Texas, Singapore, iba't ibang bansa pa. Gusto namin salihan ngayon yung World of Dance, HHI, ano pa ba? Last Supremacy, Battle of Asia, yung makabawi kami doon. Tapos alam mo yun, kahit hindi mo kami manalo as long as maganda yung performance namin. Pero syempre the wildest dream namin is yung makapunta sa ibang bansa at makapag-abroad kami lahat. Kasama yung talento namin. So yun ang pinakapangarap ko sa head coach. Tapos piling ko naman lahat ng pangarap ng dancer